So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Lightning Gamer guys. So today I'm going to play escaping from the prison, and so here I am, and here is two police officers laughing on me. And okay, the police officer threw one box. Okay. Oh. Okay guys, so here is the box, and let's open this box, and inside the box one cake is present guys, and let's check inside the cake. And inside the cake we have some file, energy drink, teleporter, rocket launcher, cell phone and drill. Okay guys, there are some weapons in this cake guys, so let's pick the file. Okay, we should cut the window or cell door. Okay, we'll cut this cell door guys. Okay, here we cut the cell door. Okay. Oh, the rim came guys, and let's tap. Oh no, what happened now? Fail? Okay, now I understand guys. We should tap there again. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, now I understand guys. So here we should tap with this stick guys, and here we tap. Here we go. From backside tap. Okay, the police officer died guys. And oh no, shit, the two police officers came. Come on. Oh no. Okay, that was seriously. And here belt of granite and a chair. Okay, let's pick the belt of granite. And here we throw out of the door. Oh no, guys, the granite came inside the room. Shit. Okay, fail. And let's take the chair. Okay, let's climb up in this tunnel. And here we go right. And guys, here we are in the top of the building. No, jail. And here is one box guys. Inside the box, rope, punglers and parachute jetpack. Okay guys, there are some weapons in this box guys, and let's pick the rope. And here we put the rope, and here we go with the rope. And okay guys, I fell down, and where I am. Okay guys, I'm free. Oh no, what happened? No guys, fail. Okay guys, the truck hit us guys, and let's take the punglers, and it will be climb sticky guys, and let's go down with the punglers. And here we came down guys. What happened? And okay guys, finally we are free. I am free with this punglers guys, and let's retry this. Okay guys, I'm going to retry this one. Okay, presented by Stickman. And firstly you achieved 4 fails, 3 of them we incubed. And finally guys, I am back to my lobby again, and let's drink this energy drink in. Okay, this guy drank the energy drink guys, and what happened? I think I became so strong in. What's going to happen? Oh no, this jail rim he break with little finger. What's happening here? Hello, police officer. Okay, I'll take this police officer and put in the dustbin. And okay, I'll take this bread and eat. Okay guys, this guys became so strong guys. And what happened? Okay, here I'm out. And what's happening? Oh no, what happened to him? Okay guys, heart stroke. Okay guys, he got the heart stroke guys, and energy got higher guys. And here we back again in lobby guys, and let's take this teleporter, and let's click on the button. I don't know which button I click, and where I teleported now. Oh no guys, this police officer is taking the training in the here. Oh no, he shooted us with the training. And here is rocket launcher. Let's pick it. Okay, Here I pick the rocket launcher and here we click. Okay. Oh no, what happened? Oh no, guys, this rocket launcher came and hit our eyes. And okay, let's take the cell phone. Okay, to whom? Okay, I'm going to call to my friend, guys. September 9th, 12:53 p.m. District Court, counter room number 4. Okay, so I am here in court, guys. So here is our judge and here is one police officer telling about me. And okay, guys. Okay, who is he? Okay, guys, he is our friend, guys. He's talking about us and here is me. And okay. Yeah. Okay, what about judge? Okay, we got some clues. Okay, we should show some clues, guys. And let's pick this dollar and let's click on the present. And okay, here is our friend. Okay. Oh no. What about he's talking? What? What's happening here, guys? No, our friend is talking about us. Okay. Okay, it's police officer and he took one letter and talking it. Okay, damn. Okay, he's going to show this CCTV footage to us, guys. Okay. Our friend is very seriously, guys. All mind is going. Okay, here is CCTV footages. Okay, here I am. Okay, when did it happen? No, police officer is getting headache. Okay, what happened? I think I'm going to release, guys, now. Okay, guys, here I am. Not guilty. Okay, guys, finally I have released it from the jail, guys. And here you can see City Hall. And this guy, what's happening? Oh no, guys, finally this guy started again, robbing again. Guys, he should go to jail again, guys. And let's take the drill. What's drill? Okay. Here we go. What happened? Okay. Opportunitator. And okay, let's pick this weapon. Okay. Walk walls. You will walk through walls. Okay, guys, I'll walk through walls. Okay, where I'm going? I think I'm going down. Okay, here we go down. And what happened? He went into the sand. Oh no, guys, help. Okay, guys, he went inside the earth, guys. Shit, yaar. Okay, guys, and let's take the crowbar now. And let's open this and let's go into the tunnel. Okay, where I am? Oh no, shit, these police officers are present here. Okay, let's go, run. Okay, let's go left. And here we run. Police officers are here back. And here we put a flip. Here we go, super flip. And here we go, guys. Okay, get ready. What get ready? Or what I should get ready, guys? What's happening here? Get ready. Tap. Oh, guys, I should tap there, guys. I forget, guys. And okay, guys, now we will play seriously here, guys. And here we put a flip. And here we run to there. And here is one police officer. And here we should be ready. Get ready. Set. And here we tap. Come on, whoa, wow, he's like a Superman. And here we hit the policeman gun. Wow, all police officers. Oh no, guys, all police officers are afraid of us. Oh no, guys, we are afraid of the police officers. And here we take the car. I think he will take the car. Okay, guys, finally, guys, he took the police officer car. And this last time was very funny, guys. And here he is going in a police car. And guys, what I can say, in last round, how he flipped and how last round, it was very funny, guys. And guys, hope you like this video, guys. And at last round was very funny, guys. And okay, guys, this game was very awesome, guys. And I will bring like this game, so much like these games, funny games, guys. And this stickman games are very funny for me, guys. And guys, at last round was very funny, guys. And hope you like this video. And what I can say, hope you like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, guys. And I'll bring the more videos like this. Till then,
murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seems like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Bodies fucking sadder than every night.